Beautiful Sunday morning. Snuck out of the cabin. I could go on this walk to the home site without Max. It's a bit of a walk for him. And I didn't want to put him on a leash. I didn't want to have to carry him back. He will get tired. But going over to the home site to see how things have progressed. They have put in a driveway. All the gravel has been laid down so that trucks can get through. So I can drive through. It's really cool. There's a driveway. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm driving into the property on a proper driveway. Oh my gosh. Well, yeah, I'm headed up there. I'm gonna see what's going on. Exciting things happening. What a gorgeous day. Beautiful. So here's the road that goes back to the well and the water tank that holds it. The water, it's like 5,000 gallon, and the water will come down through here. It'll be pumped to the utility building, which is yet to be built. Waiting for permits. All the plans have been submitted to the county, and so I'm just finishing up some paperwork for CAL FIRE. So you want like all this straggly stuff out. Oh, it has to be 100 feet from the house. That's going to be fun. I'm going to hire somebody to do that because I started doing it over here and I got poison oak. So yeah, I'm going to hire somebody. But that too has to be cleaned up, cleared from the house site, which is right here. So this is for water to go straight down, not filtered, but it'll go down there for a spigot when I put a garden in over there. But also this is going to be the place where the conduit for the solar is going to go through, because the solar panels are going to be over there. Here's my friends. Duh. Poison oak friends. And this is the drive that they flattened out and some gravel down. It's so good. So nice to drive on. Super happy. Okay, headed over to the home site. Going over early this morning because it's going to be hot today. Just want to see the progress. Haven't been here in a week, so I just want to check on things and do it early because it's going to be hot. Got my sunscreen on, got my bug spray in case it gets humid, and then because all the mosquitoes come out in the humid. My hat, sunglasses, my trusty dog. Ooh, lots of stuff going on here, I see. So let's go check it out. Eesh. Okay, so wow, this whole trench has been covered over. Okay, yep. Looks like they got the fittings down there for water and electric for Johnny's little studio that I'll put in later. Yeah, cool. There's the set it for the solar panels. It will be easier for me them being on the ground because then I can take care of, when they get dirty, snow gets on them, whatever. I can clean them easier than hopping on top of a house. Yeah, wow, they're ready to bury that all up. And they already have one form set up to pour cement. That's going to be for the generator to sit on. The generator will kick on when the solar batteries are too low. Yeah, they put this tape down so that if somebody comes in and has to dig, they see the tape first and they won't go any farther, or they know that there's pipes down there. I think the next thing will be they will have to dig over here to put the septic tank, and then they're going to put the line straight through these trees, and the leach field is way down there. Yeah, that'll be the next thing, I believe. Yeah, I'm super happy with how it looks. Also, do have somebody that's going to come and take care of all that stuff. They're just going to use, they have some kind of munching tractor thing that will go through that and go around the big trees and clean up all the dead stuff and all that little straggly stuff. All right, awesome. That's it for now. It's going to be a pretty day. Wow, that's going to be my view. Thought I'd drive up here. Hopefully I can get through here okay and not get stuck, but this is where my well is and the tank to hold the water. And so they put like a pump down into the well all the way to the bottom, and it pumps out and it goes into the tank, the holding tank, and then that's how I get my water. So yep, here we are. Have a place to turn around. Let's see if I can put that real quick. Okay, so here's the well there, and has a cutoff valve in case something happens down below. Somebody hits a water line or whatever, but I can still get water from that spigot, which is good. There's their tape. And then up here, wow, it is super humid right now. I'm very hot. Okay, so the line goes from there all the way up here, you know, pumps it up here, and is held in this huge 5,000 gallon tank. So it goes up, and then when I need it, it comes down, and it's gravity fed down to that utility building that they're going to build first, and then it's pumped to the house where it goes through filter and also goes through the on-demand hot water heater. Okay, here's what's been happening up here. It's been a week. And they've cleaned all of this out inside. Oh, I just think this is so cute. Look at that cute little tree. I think I'll make that my outdoor Christmas tree, but eventually, wouldn't that be nice to have just grass? And that's the only grass I need to take care of, but it'd be great to have a little grassy area. And then, yeah, so here's the house, where the house will sit. So that's why that had to be all cleaned out. Still a little stuff that needs to be cleaned out, but I can do that by hand. And then they did all of that. All of that. That you used to not be able to see through that, but they cleared all of that. It's so great. I would have never been able to do that. It would have taken me months, perhaps a year. But now it's all cleared out. You can actually see through the forest. Yeah, see if there's a bear coming at you. But really, this is so great. I'm so happy. Okay, new job 150 that I've learned since I've been here. I have a weed whacker that's electric, battery charged, and I learned how to put new line in and to load it, and it's not easy, especially when you're out in the middle of the forest. And it takes a lot of hand power, which I do not have, but we're getting it done. Getting it done. Whenever I'm working outside, I always come back immediately and wash my hands, wash whatever I may have touched, like when I was changing the spool in my weed whacker. I just want to make sure that my hands are completely clean, free of any poison oak oils. So I use a special soap that removes that. Normally I wear gloves. It's kind of hard to change that spool with wearing gloves. So anyway, I wasn't weed whacking by any poison oak, but you never know. Could have been on there from before. So it's just better to be safe than sorry, and yeah, make sure it's all off, because poison oak is no joke. Okay, I've been driving up and down, getting rid of stuff, chopped up pieces of wood that was left over from the grinding machine. Just putting it into a burn pile for the winter. Can't burn now, but when the winter comes. But yeah, there's no activity right now. This whole week it's been quiet. We're still waiting for the county to approve the plans. So all I can do is just clean up. I've been cleaning up this area over here, and I got all this stuff to take back up with me. And then I don't know about that. That has to go too, but that's going to be a big project. Anyway, I'm going to sign off and come back when things are new and moving along. There we go. I got to put my seatbelt on. Headed back to the cabin for a shower and a cool drink. Alright, thanks for watching. recording this while my car is on. Max is in the car waiting. It's hot, so leave him in there with the air conditioner. But yeah, this is the very beginning after permits have been approved. Finally we're at this stage. So this is going to be where the little mechanical building is, and they're getting ready to pour foundation. I'm so excited. Finally, it's here. It's here, little Max.